Where can they find you on Instagram?
Mr. No Cuts.
Huh?
Ambition.
Where can they find you on Instagram?
I don't know.
Mr. I take 2 hours for one day.
I forgot what it is.
What is it?
I got that hat on because my haircut messed up.
Yo,
And
my
I'm supposed to be a
haircut
barber.
is faded
Bro,
underscore
this is
ambition.
Rob the mechanic.
What's up? I'll fix your car right.
Where can they find you on Facebook and Instagram?
I don't know. Robert Cooper.
And Robert Cooper?
Robert, there's a lot of those.
That's all I have. I don't know what email.
Oh, you look at that rocking that Die Legend shirt, man. Okay, what you got working on over here, man?
What I got is a new MacBook.
No, you don't.
My dude, I don't do good at cameras, B.
Ooh, Kevin
I don't do
Manager.
good at cameras.
Kevin Manager.
That spot on
Just at home.
That spot on Nate's car that I waxed. Bro, listen.
What up, James? Is a new addition to Headlines team here at Sun Lake. Where can they find you at on Instagram?
Nova_cuts with a Z.
Pull up to the new location right now. Headlines Barbershop. Next to Tijuana Flats. So we're right next to the Liberty Tax, right in that building, and Tijuana Flats. Coming soon. Headlines Barbershop. Download the app. Boy Danny putting in work. This is a shop. Ooh, rocking that Barbers Through History shirt. Right here, this is a new location. Still being built.
Yeah, I just put them on my lap.
Man, got the floors put in today. We're not stepping in here, so.
It's narrow.
Black tiles.
Yo, I like the black things.
Right?
Man, so this right here is a new addition to the Headlines team. Whew. Lifted F-250 wrapped. This is gonna be at our new location, Land O'Lakes, Collier and 54. And actually this truck right here, I will be driving. Tell me what y'all think. Your boy gonna be pushing a nice whip. It's truly a blessing, super humbling for the promotion that Headlines has given me. I mean, words can't explain how I feel. It's amazing how much has happened in 4 years since I've been here in Tampa. Shouts out to my team. We're doing it big. Ain't nobody doing it like us.